Hello everyone, welcome back to Learning Unlocked. I'm sure this is not your first video, so if it isn't, be sure to click that subscribe button below. Today we're going to be doing an activity I like to call Road Works. This is where kids just connect the letters and different sounds to make words. This activity will teach them phonetic and phonemic awareness, as well as spelling and word building skills. What the activity does is really connect in their mind that different letters makes different sounds, and we put these different sounds together to make words, and if we put the sounds together in different orders, we make different words. I think this activity you can also use it for younger ones, just to really just teach them about simply phonics and letter identification. But for the older kids, we'll move on to something like the word building skills and stuff like that, so the activity can really it can grow with your child. Okay, so let's get started. Let me show you how I achieved this activity. I used 3 sheets of Bristol board, a pencil, a ruler, a scissor, and some color pencils. I really was excited to try out this new twistable thing that I found at my local bookstore, but I will link it in the bio for you guys. The writing was really smooth. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take up a paper, sorry. We're gonna turn it horizontal. We're gonna get our ruler and measure the length of our paper, and we're gonna just divide that into 3 even columns. So we're just gonna take our ruler, we're gonna just create those 3 even columns, because we want our cards to be as identical as possible, because you want your road to look sleek. Okay, and we're going to do the same thing across. So each sheet should achieve 9 road pieces or connectors. So we're just going to cut this out. This scissor was bigger than usual, sorry. So it was a little harder than usual to manipulate, but I figured it out somewhere along the way. So right now we're finished cutting our squares, and it's time to move on to the next step, which is making our road. But in making our road, we want to make sure that the letters are distinct. So we're going to put them in their own little bubble or sign. And we're going to get this out of the way. So we're going to draw our little bubble in the middle, or little circle, and that's where we're going to put our letter. You can use it for numbers as well, but I'm using it for letters. And we're gonna, you can use like a bottle cap or a circle stencil or something if you want it to be more precise and more, just everything just looks identical. Yeah, you can do that, but I am not gonna do that today. I already kind of have this activity already, so I'm just making a copy for you guys to see. But if you see that I'm lining up the cards against each other, and that is so the road kind of goes straight, the dashes in the road kind of go straight, so when they connect the word, it goes straight, because what they are gonna try to do when they put the letters together, kind of line up the lines as well. So we want to make sure those are at least somewhat close. We're just going to do this for every letter in the alphabet. If it is that you're going to use this for a name, you would want to print 2 of the same letters. So what I would do is, in my printable version, I would also include a blank stencil so you can add your own letters if you wish, just to kind of shorten you having to print the whole thing again or the whole page again just to get one letter. So now that we're finished with our cards, we're gonna get started on our car now. And guys, at this point, you know what I always say, it does not have to be perfect to be effective. If it's a Learning Unlocked video, you have to hear it. So I'm just gonna say it again, it does not have to be perfect to be effective. My car is not gonna be perfect, your car does not have to be perfect. But if you are striving for perfection, be sure to check out my printable version of this. The link for it is available in the bio. I will show you how it looks at the end of this video. Sorry, I meant description. But seeing that I did mention bio, be sure to go check out our Instagram. It's also linked in the description below. Or you can simply just type in on your phone Learning Unlocked, just how it appears on the name of our YouTube channel. It will appear on Instagram. So we added some color. I'm just gonna cut this out now and get it ready for our demonstration. Can you help me spell cat?
Okay.
Can you help me spell cat? Here, there we have it. Let me get down here to show you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you like this little demo. I apologize in advance for the background sounds.
Yeah.
Hold your car and drive and sound it out for me. Sound it out. And what word does that spell? Okay, very good, buddy.
Let's do this one.
So, cat.
Yes.
Okay.
High five.
High five, buddy. Okay, how about we try? Pet. Yes. How about we try the word? How about we try the word pet?
Cat.
Yes. What letters do we need to spell? P-E-T. P. What letter was P? Okay, so put P here. E.
Okay.
E. What letter goes E? Put it here.
Press the E.
And what letter goes T?
T.
Very good. So you gotta connect the road. Okay, sound it out and say the word for me.
Okay, use this one.
Okay, any car you want. Start from the beginning.
Okay.
What is it?
Cat.
Very good, buddy. High five. You did that, buddy.
Do it again.
You want to do it again?
Yes.
What word this time? What word do you want to spell?
I got it.
What word do you want to spell this time? What word do you want to spell?
Go.
Oh, what letters do we need?
T.
G. Okay.
O.
And O.
O.
Okay. Go ahead. Spell go.
Right here. T. O. Go.
Get your car.
Okay.
Okay, do it. G.
T.
Uh-huh.
O. Go.
Yay! Hooray!
You're done.
You're done.
Now it's your turn.
It's my turn now? Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed that demo and it gave you a clearer idea of what you can achieve with this activity. What you're seeing on screen is what the printable version looks like. Again, it is available in the description below. It will send you straight to my website and to this printable. Be sure to check out everything else while you're there. Thank you again for watching Learning Unlocked. I look forward to seeing you next Friday. Be sure to subscribe so you get that notification. You gotta ring that bell though. All right, nice seeing you guys. Bye.